Hi guys, welcome to this. Today in this class we are going to discuss about what are the two differences between light reaction and dark reaction. First of all, what are these two light and dark reactions? These two are the phases of photosynthesis. First phase is light reaction, second phase is this dark reaction. Okay guys, first let us go to the light reaction. So, what was the first thing said in this light reaction? Occurs in the grana of the chloroplast. So now tell me, what is grana here? Grana is nothing but a group of thylakoids present in a part of chloroplast are called group of thylakoids is called as grana. That thylakoids are present in the chloroplast. Okay, the first point is it occurs in the grana of the chloroplast. Secondly, it occurs only in the presence of sunlight. That means it is dependent on light. So therefore this is called photochemical reaction or light dependent reaction. Okay, what is the second point? Occurs only in the daytime, means when the sunlight falls on the plant. And third point is it absorbs oxygen and sunlight. What was the role of this? The main role of this is to absorb oxygen and sunlight. Okay, in this reaction, light plays a special and key role. What's the first point? It occurs in the grana of the chloroplast. What is the grana? The group of thylakoids is called as grana. Occurs only in the presence of sunlight. That means when it is daytime or when it is sunny morning. And then it absorbs oxygen and sunlight. Air which we inhale and this light coming from our known star sun. It absorbs oxygen and sunlight. Fourth point is byproducts are oxygen, ATP, and NADPH. So, end products are or byproducts of this light reaction are oxygen. You all know that. ATP is a source of energy which is used to trap energy. And these two are same. What was the full form of this ATP is that here given, see abbreviations. ATP means adenosine triphosphate. Second repeating for you, ATP means adenosine triphosphate. And secondly coming to this NADPH, the full form of this NADPH is nicotinoamide adenosine dinucleatic hydrogen phosphate. This was the full form of these two. Once again I will repeat for you. NADPH means nicotinoamide adenosine dinucleatic hydrogen phosphate. So this is guys, okay, let us see it once more again. It occurs in the grana of the chloroplast. What is the grana? Grana is nothing but group of thylakoids present in the chloroplast. It occurs in that part of the chloroplast. Secondly, it occurs only in the presence of sunlight, not in night time. It is dependent on sunlight. It is also called as light dependent phase and also photochemical phase. And third point is it absorbs oxygen which we inhale and sunlight coming from the known star sun. And fourth point, end products or byproducts are oxygen, ATP, and NADPH. Okay, tell me what is the full form of ATP? ATP is nothing but adenosine triphosphate. And then what is the full form of this NADPH? Nicotinoamide adenosine dinucleatic hydrogen phosphate. And coming to the next point, this was the first stage. I'll tell you the first phase and this was second phase. They are given first stage of photosynthesis. This was the first stage of photosynthesis and this was the second stage of photosynthesis. Once again, let us see all the points. Occurs in the grana of the chloroplast. It occurs only in the presence of sunlight. Absorbs oxygen and sunlight. Byproducts or end products are oxygen, ATP, and NADPH. ATP means the energy used to trap solar energy. Okay. Byproducts are oxygen, ATP, and NADPH. ATP full form is adenosine triphosphate. NADPH means nicotinoamide dinucleatic hydrogen phosphate. And coming to the last point, this was the first stage of photosynthesis. So this was all about light reaction. Now let's move to the dark reaction. What was this dark reaction? Dark reaction occurs in the stroma of the chloroplast. So, like this grana, stroma is also a part in the chloroplast. I think so, okay? Occurs in the stroma of the chloroplast. And secondly, it occurs in the presence or absence of sunlight. This is dependent on sunlight. It is independent of sunlight. Whether it is sunlight or not, it occurs. It occurs in the presence or absence of light. That's why this is called light independent reaction and also biosynthetic. I will write it for you. This dark reaction is also called as biosynthetic. Biosynthetic reaction. Okay. What is the first point? It occurs in the stroma of the chloroplast. Stroma is a part present in the chloroplast. Secondly, we have it occurs in the presence or absence of sun. That means it occurs either in day or night, occurs in any place. Okay. It occurs in the presence or absence of light. It absorbs only carbon dioxide, which we exhale. Here it absorbs oxygen and sunlight, which we inhale, and the light coming from the nearest closest star. Okay, byproducts or end products are only one thing, that is glucose. You all know the formula for glucose, right? What was the formula? C6H12O6. So guys, I am telling you here, the empirical formula for this is CH2. The empirical formula for this glucose is CH2. Now once again let us see, it occurs in the stroma of the chloroplast, occurs in the presence or absence of the light, absorbs only carbon dioxide which we exhaled out. Byproducts or end products are glucose. What is the formula for glucose? C6H12O6. And what was the empirical formula for this is CH2. And at last point, we already know this. This was second stage of photosynthesis. Once again, let us compare these two differences. Occurs in the grana of the chloroplast. It occurs in the stroma of the chloroplast. It occurs in the presence of sunlight. It occurs in both presence or absence of light. Absorbs oxygen and sunlight. It absorbs only carbon dioxide. Byproducts or end products are oxygen, ATP and NADPH. ATP full form is that adenosine triphosphate. NADPH full form is that nictonoamide adenosine dinucleotic hydrogen phosphate. The byproducts are end products are glucose. The formula for this is C6H12O6. The empirical formula is CH2O. This is the first stage of photosynthesis and this was the second stage. So that's all about the light and dark reactions we have. What are these two light and dark reactions? Remember this. These two are the two phases of photosynthesis. Simple, it is called as the mechanism of photosynthesis. So that's all today. Okay guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. In next class, I am going to tell you more interesting topics about these. Bye bye. See you next class.